Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making a pistachio matcha no-churn ice cream. If you love pistachio ice cream, you're going to love this modern twist on a classic. This is so easy and you don't need an ice cream maker. Let me show you guys how to make it. So if you guys watched my last ice cream video with the Palmer House ice cream, then you know I'm on a mission this summer to make my own original rainbow cone at home using organic ingredients. So if you haven't heard of Rainbow Cone, it's an iconic ice cream shop that was founded in Beverly, which is on the south side of Chicago where I grew up. The original location was only open in the summertime and it was walking distance from my house. But now the company has grown because everyone knows how delicious the original Rainbow Cone is. And now they even have franchise locations outside of the Chicago area. So the original Rainbow Cone is a 5-layer ice cream cone. It's spaded or sliced, not scooped. And so each slice of ice cream looks like a rainbow when it's topped on your cone. The first flavor is chocolate, the second flavor is strawberry, then comes the Palmer House, then the pistachio, and then last the orange sherbet. So while I made the Palmer House ice cream last week, today I'm on a mission to make pistachio, but I'm going to give it just a little fun upgrade. So we're going to be adding matcha powder into this no-churn pistachio ice cream. So you guys can make this pistachio no-churn ice cream using a hand mixer or a stand mixer, either works. Today I'm just going to use my stand mixer, but first we have to chop up our pistachios. So I have 1 cup of roasted and salted pistachios out of their shells. If you guys want to use raw, you can, but I like the flavor of the roasted and salted better. Now we're just going to chop these into small pieces. So now we're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into the bowl of our stand mixer with the whisk attachment. Then we're going to add in our matcha powder. This is what's going to make this pistachio ice cream a really pretty shade of green. Plus it's going to add just a little something extra. If you guys don't have matcha or you don't want to use it, you can skip it for plain pistachio ice cream. Then we're going to add in our pistachio extract. Now we're going to whisk this starting on low to avoid splattering. Then we're going to gradually increase the speed as the mixture begins to thicken. Continue to increase until you're at full speed. Then we're going to whisk until stiff peaks form. This is just like making whipped cream. So now that we have our pistachio matcha whipped cream made, we're just going to add in some sweetened condensed milk. And now these two things together, whipped cream and sweetened condensed milk, is what's going to allow us to make this no-churn ice cream super creamy. The whipped cream is what's adding air into the ice cream, and the sweetened condensed milk lowers the freezing point, making it super creamy and easy to scoop. Now we're just going to fold together with a spatula until we have a smooth and creamy ice cream base. So now we're just going to grab a loaf pan. I like to layer the ice cream in a loaf pan because it makes it really easy. Then I like to transfer it to ice cream containers later. But if you guys want to layer it directly into a Tupperware, you can also do that too. And then we're going to grab our chopped pistachios and some pistachio butter. So we're going to layer our ice cream doing about 3 layers. We're going to do a third of the ice cream base, then some chopped up pistachios and a little swirl of pistachio butter. Then we're going to repeat that 2 more times. Now all you have to do is chill this in the freezer overnight. Then the following day, your ice cream is ready to enjoy. I like to scoop it into an ice cream container for storage at this time. I hope you guys enjoy this creamy, dreamy pistachio matcha ice cream as much as I do. Make sure to stay tuned for my other flavors that I'm making for the original rainbow cone. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more summer dessert recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.